I got a C- after a week of studying, an all-nighter, and a textbook so highlighted it looked radioactive, a C-. I thought I was doing everything right, but my grade told me I was a failure. I was wrong. I wasn't a failure, I was being sabotaged by 7 invisible mistakes I didn't even know I was making. And the fourth one is a trap so common, you're probably falling for it right now. Mistake number 1. You think your brain is set in stone, that you're either smart or dumb. This is a lie. Your brain is more like a muscle. And struggling with a problem isn't failure, it's the workout. The fix? Add 1 word to your vocabulary yet. I don't get this yet. Mistake number 2. You stare at a 10-page essay and your brain just shuts down. That paralysis isn't laziness, it's fear. You're afraid to fail, so you don't even start. The fix? A timer. Set it for 25 minutes and tell yourself you only have to work for that long. The monster in your head is scared of a simple clock. Mistake number 3. That little voice in your head, the one that whispers, "You're so stupid, everyone else gets it." That voice isn't you, it's a saboteur. And when it talks, it puts your brain into fight or flight mode, making it physically impossible to learn. So here's how you fight back. Catch the thought. Challenge it, ask, is that 100% true? Then change it. Replace. I'll never get this with "I'll do my best." Okay, the mistake I promised you. The one that feels productive but is actually the biggest waste of your time. Mistake number 4. You reread your notes and highlight your textbook. It feels like you're working hard, but this is a trick. It creates an illusion of competence. Your brain recognizes the words, so you think you know the material. But recognizing isn't the same as recalling. And on a test, you have to recall. The fix is to flip studying on its head. Stop putting information in your brain. Start pulling it out. Quiz yourself without looking. Cover the page and explain it out loud. If you can't explain it simply, you don't know it. This feels harder, but that's how you know it's working. Now for the last 3, rapid fire. Mistake number 5. You're confused in class, but you stay silent. You're choosing to stay confused for weeks to avoid 10 seconds of feeling awkward. Stop. Ask the question after class. Send the email. Mistake number 6. Your backpack is a black hole and your desk is a disaster zone. This isn't a personality flaw, it's a warning sign that you're overwhelmed. The fix? Spend 5 minutes every night putting things back in their home, 1 folder per class. It's not about being neat, it's about reducing chaos, so your brain can actually think. Mistake number 7. You're powered by coffee and 2 hours of sleep. You can't get A+ performance from a brain that's running on empty. The secret to a smarter brain isn't another energy drink, it's a good night's sleep. So that C-, it wasn't a verdict on my intelligence, it was a signal that my strategy was broken. I stopped trying to be smart and started fighting the mistakes that were holding me back. And that's what took me to an A. These aren't just study tips, they are the rules to a game you didn't know you were playing. So I have a question for you. Which mistake are you going to stop making starting today? Let me know in the comments. You're not alone in this. Now go prove that voice in your head wrong.